told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
В этом видео я покажу, как я создавал страницы лендингов в Figma. Объем работы был достаточно большой и подразумевал многократное повторение одних и тех же действий, поэтому в начале видео я обозначу, какими инструментами я пользовался, а затем вставлю таймлэпс полного процесса и в конце будет результат. Горячие клавиши для перемещения по рабочему пространству. Ctrl-0 – показать, как будет выглядеть страница в полном размере. Ctrl-/ – скрыть интерфейс Figma. Для перемещения по рабочему пространству я использовал колесико мыши, чтобы передвигаться вверх-вниз, или колесико мыши в связке с клавишей Shift, чтобы перемещаться влево-вправо. Для создания нового фрейма использовал горячую клавишу F, для прямоугольника R, а для эллипса O. Для добавления текста горячая клавиша T. Чтобы сделать вокруг текста кнопку, можно нажать комбинацию клавиш Shift-A. Тогда под текстом создастся фрейм, которому можно добавить заливку и относительно которого можно настраивать положение текста. Для более точного расположения объектов я использовал утилиту LightShot. Вообще она предназначена для создания скриншотов, но также при этом она показывает количество пикселей, что в данном случае сыграло роль линейки.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.